Sa cheacht ShowMe seo, beimiid fécinse conas a churann na rudaí is fearr leat in úl. In this short ShowMe lesson, we'll be looking at how you convey your favourites, your favourite pastimes, TV shows, your favourite sport, favourite colour, etc. Now, this is a quite straightforward sentence structure that is most commonly used in the present tense. So let's look at an example. Let's say you want to say that Coronation Street is your favourite television programme. We begin with an chopal is. This is then followed by a. We then follow this with the name of the show, Coronation Street. Next comes the word an. And this is then followed by the phrase television programme, which in Irish is Clár Telefíse, C-L, A for the R, T-E-I-L-I-F, I for the S-E, Clár Telefíse. The sentence is then completed with the phrase is fearr liom. So in its entirety, the sentence reads, Is a Coronation Street on Clár Telefíse is fearr liom. A further example might be hurling is my favourite sport. Again, we start with an chopal is. We then follow this with the word e, as in I fada. And this is followed with the word hurling, which in Irish is imóneacht, I-O-M-A fada N I fada O-C-H-T. Next comes the word an, and this is then followed by the word sport, which in Irish is S-P-O fada R-T, on sport, and we complete the sentence with the phrase is fearr liom. Now, it's important to note that in this sentence we used the word e rather than a, which is what we used in the previous sentence. This is simply because the noun imóneacht is a feminine noun. So the sentence in its entirety reads, Is e imóneacht an sport is fearr liom. Now see if you can try some examples yourself, such as U2 is my favourite band, EastEnders is my favourite TV show, chicken is my favourite food, English is my favourite subject. I hope this lesson has been of use to you. It's brief and hopefully it'll give you an idea of how we go about expressing our favourite things.